I do. I feel super glamorous.
Hey there everyone, it's Helen, and today I'm joined by Joyce, and I have been challenged to create a holiday party look under $50. So I have all Sephora collection here. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, so I feel like here, the one thing that there isn't like multiples of is like a face powder. So let's do a blush to kick off the look. I love a good blush. It really just makes everything come together as far as complexion goes. So this one's $14. Starting a little high, but I think we can do it. This is the Sephora collection Colorful Face Powders, and this is the shade Shame on You. I feel like blush for a party just really gives you that happy look. You know, you're happy to be at the party. This is really gorgeous. Blush just really like makes everything look very cohesive. So if you're doing like eyes and lips, just having a soft blush to tie it all together looks really nice. I have $36 left. I feel like no party is complete without glitter. So this is the Sephora collection Colorful Eyeshadow in Sequin Effect. So this one is the shade Diamond Crush, and it looks really cool. Very gorgeous. I'm going to apply this glitter with my finger. I feel like it just prevents fallout and really gives you the nice like opacity that you want with glitter. And if you pat it on too, that helps to kind of press it on to your lid. And sometimes like a little fallout with glitter is really pretty, especially if it's like this really beautiful silver shade. It looks like almost like little twinkles all around your eye. Joyce, how do you feel about glitter?
I like glitter on special occasions. I like doing a bold eye.
I mean, gorgeous. And the way I'm applying it, it looks really like just an easy modern look. You don't have to like put on a lot of other eyeshadow to carry this off. Joyce, this looks killer on you. You look so cool.
Do I look like an angel?
Absolutely.
Cool.
The angel of glitter. So beautiful. All right, so I think that the thing that is really gonna tie this all together is just some lashes. So putting these on, that's gonna put us at $33. But I think it's worth it. I really like these lashes because they have a little bit more density just on the edges, so it kind of like gives you the illusion that you have like a liner. So I am going to apply these guys, and let's measure them out first. I feel like the trick with measuring is that you can see when you have lashes that they kind of come in these little bundles on the other side. So sometimes you can see, sometimes it's more obvious than other styles, but I feel like for this, we're cutting about like 3 sections off. I think the other trick with lashes is just to really make sure that they don't poke. So not to get it exact, because you don't want it to be poking you on the inside. So always cut a little bit shorter than you think. Then open. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Open. Gorgeous. Now let's glue them on.
Do you have to wait long?
I like to do it right away because I like to be able to push them down as they dry. So I like to not wait for it to get tacky, but I feel like everybody has their own technique. And then my other thing is to always just make sure while it's drying down fully that you're really pushing down on this like inner corner and outer corner, because those are where the lashes tend to pop up the easiest. So just making sure they're really glued down. And open. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, they feel good.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, another trick that I do with lashes is I always like do a little bend motion. This just basically like breaks that band up so that it'll hug your eye a little more easily. These ones are really soft. They have a nice soft band, but it just depends on the style. This is really making this glitter pop and just drawing more attention to your beautiful eyes. This is really making that party look come together. Worth the $10 for sure. What is really going to complete the look, of course, is a lip color, and I feel like we have a couple here. I love this satin hydrating lipstick. I feel like this color is just so rich and beautiful. It's gonna be such a good contrast with like the light silver. This puts us right at $48. I love this. I feel like it's just a beautiful, like unexpected lip color. I feel like people normally go for that like beautiful ruby red, and this is just this really nice berry. The sparkles in the eyes are just so festive. This looks amazing.
Cute.
You look like $1,000,000, but this all came in at $48. So you can shop the shelf below, and we will be linking all the products we used. And until next time, bye everyone.